Hello everybody, welcome to another review. This time we are reviewing Animal Factory, which was released in the year 2000. Saw this in 2016. I gave it a rating of 4. Like Trees Lounge, Animal Factory is a weekly directed picture by Steve Buscemi. Maybe it's because of the plot, since that one is weak too. The screenplay was written by Eddie Bunker, who played the nearly non-existent Mr. Blue in Reservoir Dogs. However, let's give him a credit where it's due. Eddie Bunker was a real-life convict who served time at San Quentin and wrote the screenplay for Runaway Train. As for the veteran taking in a newbie under his wings in Animal Factory, the question should be why? What did Decker do to deserve the treatment? Jesus, what a freeloader, when it's especially Edward frickin' Furlong. No worries. Edward looks so effed up today that he can't help himself. Anyway, back to the Animal Factory. There's nothing for the characters to do. They are in their routine and shoot the breeze. I've seen it all this before in countless prison pictures and wonder why Steve Buscemi felt the need to make another one. The setting takes place in the famous Eastern State Penitentiary, which is located in Philadelphia. It's a great place to visit, and as a result of the movie, the grand tour is narrated by Steve Buscemi via audio tape. The other movie I can think of that takes advantage of the imposing architecture is The 12 Monkeys. There are 2 excellent performances in Animal Factory. One is rendered by William Dafoe. He is just superb as always. I can't think of a movie that he was ever bad in. The other is Mickey Rourke as Jan the actress. That's what's impressive about his performance, is that I didn't recognize him until I looked up the credits because I had been wondering where he was. Edward Furlong is completely miscast in the movie. He is a really bad actor and has no credibility to begin with. Animal Factory seems to be the last A film for Edward because his fallout from drugs and alcohol will finally ruin his unreserved Hollywood career. By the way, it's amusing to see Tom Arnold's character trying to fuck Furlong's character in his ass. All in all, Animal Factory is worth watching for Willem Dafoe and Mickey Rourke, but don't expect a good movie. Thank you so much for watching this review. We'll see you next time in another review. Bye-bye.